In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix alerts notification not working TradingView. By the end, you'll have your TradingView alerts delivering reliably to your app, showing pop-ups in the browser, sending emails as needed, playing sound, and triggering correctly if you use Pine script strategies. First, check your alert configuration inside TradingView. On your chart, open the alert you're using by clicking the Alerts icon or the alert marker, then choose Edit. In the alert creation box, make sure the notification options you need are ticked. Select Notify on App to get push notifications on your phone, show pop-up to see desktop pop-ups in the browser, and send email if you want email delivery. At least one of these must be enabled, and you can enable multiple for redundancy. Click Save so your changes apply. Next, if you're on the web, confirm your browser allows notifications for TradingView. Look at the address bar, click the lock icon next to TradingView.com, then open Site Settings. Find Notifications and set it to Allow. This lets Chrome or Firefox show TradingView's pop-up alerts and pushes. Close the Settings tab and return to your chart once it's set to Allow. Now check your mobile app settings so push notifications aren't blocked at the device level. On your phone, open Settings, find the TradingView app, and open its Notifications section. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. On iPhone, confirm alerts are enabled and allowed on the lock screen, Notification Center, and as banners if you want them. On Android, go to Apps, open TradingView, tap Notifications, and turn on Allow. This ensures the Notify on App option from TradingView can actually reach your device. From here, verify the alert itself is active. Back in TradingView, open the Alerts tab. Locate your alert in the list and check its status. It should show active. If it shows paused or expired, update it so it's active again. A paused or expired alert won't send anything, even if all other settings are correct. If sound isn't playing with your pop-ups, fix sound issues next. Make sure your device volume isn't muted and media volume is turned up. In your browser, check the tab isn't muted. Then click the lock icon next to TradingView.com again, open Site Settings, and set Sound to Allow. With sound allowed at the site level and your device unmuted, TradingView pop-up alerts will play audio as expected. Finally, if you use Pine script strategies for alerts, use strategy.order.action for the most reliable strategy alerts. Open the Pine editor and confirm your strategy-based alert references strategy.order.action in the alert message or condition. This built-in value reports the action taken by the strategy, like buy or sell, and keeps alerts aligned with actual strategy orders. Update the script if needed, save it, and ensure your alert is created from the strategy with that value driving the message. At this point, your TradingView alerts notification not working issue should be resolved. Your alerts are configured to notify on app, show pop-ups, send emails when selected, remain active, play sound, and strategy-driven alerts will trigger reliably. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.